Most people think of mushrooms as just pizza toppings or soup fillers, but what if I told you that mushrooms might be one of the most overlooked superfoods for skin health and long life? Not exotic powders or expensive creams, just these humble fungi, found in your grocery store. Hold powerful secrets to aging slower, staying radiant, and even living longer. Sounds far-fetched. Let's look at what science says, and what your body might be missing. First, let's answer the question, why are mushrooms suddenly showing up in skincare products, longevity research, and wellness routines? It's not a trend, it's a quiet revolution backed by real nutrients. Mushrooms are rich in antioxidants, B vitamins, polysaccharides, and amino acids that support your body's repair systems. They also contain something unique compounds that protect against oxidative stress, one of the main drivers of aging, inside and out. They're low in calories, free of sugar, and can be prepared in dozens of ways. But here's what sets them apart. They help your body heal and defend itself, not just survive. Collagen is the protein that keeps your skin firm, your joints smooth, and your bones strong. And, yes, collagen declines with age, especially after 50, but certain mushrooms, like shiitake and tremella, don't just support collagen production, they protect the collagen you already have. Shiitake mushrooms, for example, are packed with copper, a mineral essential for collagen cross-linking. That means your body can build stronger, more elastic skin fibers. Tremella mushrooms, also called the beauty mushroom in traditional Chinese medicine, have a jelly-like texture. And guess what? They help your skin retain moisture, better than hyaluronic acid in some studies. This hydration leads to plumper, more youthful-looking skin. Not from outside creams, but from the inside out. Longevity isn't just about living longer. It's about living better, with energy, mobility, and mental clarity. Let's talk about mushrooms that support that. Reishi, known as the mushroom of immortality in Asian medicine. Reishi helps your body adapt to stress, lowers inflammation, and supports immune balance. All crucial as we age. Lion's mane, famous for its brain benefits. It may support memory, focus, and nerve regeneration. For seniors worried about cognitive decline, this is a game changer. Cordyceps, used for stamina and vitality. It helps improve oxygen use and may enhance energy at the cellular level. Ideal for older adults who feel tired or sluggish. These aren't magical claims, they're supported by emerging clinical studies and centuries of traditional use. And the best part? You don't need all of them every day. Even basic white mushrooms have powerful effects, one of the biggest enemies of youthful skin and a long life. Oxidative stress. It's what causes fine lines, wrinkles, joint stiffness, and even chronic disease. Mushrooms contain ergothioneine and glutathione, two of the most potent antioxidants known in nature. Unlike some trendy superfoods, these compounds are bioavailable, meaning your body can absorb and use them easily. These antioxidants protect your cells from the daily wear and tear of pollution, UV exposure, and poor diet. They also support your liver, the body's detox powerhouse, which affects everything from skin clarity to hormone balance. If you've been eating berries for antioxidants, keep going, but mushrooms may be the missing piece you didn't know you needed. Here's something surprising. Mushrooms are one of the only plant-based sources of vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin. When exposed to UV light, mushrooms create vitamin D2, which helps with calcium absorption, immune function, and yes, skin repair. For older adults who don't get much sun or wear sunscreen religiously, vitamin D from food sources is critical. And while D2 isn't exactly the same as the D3 from animal sources, it's still beneficial, especially when you're getting it naturally. Pro tip: buy mushrooms labeled UV exposed or vitamin D enhanced. A single serving can meet up to 100% of your daily needs. Another reason mushrooms shine: their effect on the gut. Mushrooms contain prebiotics, special fibers that feed the good bacteria in your gut, and when your gut is balanced, your skin shows it. Better digestion, less bloating, clearer skin. It's all connected. Studies show that beta-glucans in mushrooms may help balance gut flora, improve immunity, and reduce inflammation from the inside out. So if you're struggling with breakouts, dull skin, or unexplained fatigue, the problem might not be your skincare routine. It might be your gut, and mushrooms could help fix it. Now that you know the why, here's the how. Eat a variety. Don't just stick to white button mushrooms. Add shiitake, maitake, lion's mane, and reishi into your diet weekly. Cook them right. Lightly sauté or roast. Avoid overcooking. Cooking actually releases more antioxidants in mushrooms. Tea or powder. Reishi, tremella, and lion's mane can be taken as teas or added as powders to smoothies or coffee. Add to your routine. Chop mushrooms into stir-fries, soups, omelets, or toast. Easy, delicious, and deeply nourishing. While mushrooms are safe for most people, a few notes of caution. If you have autoimmune issues or are on immunosuppressants, talk to your doctor before taking mushroom supplements like reishi. Some mushrooms can interact with medications. And of course, avoid foraged mushrooms unless identified by an expert. When in doubt, stick to grocery store mushrooms or reputable supplements with clean labels. Here's the truth most people ignore. It's not what you do once in a while. It's what you do every day. One serving of mushrooms daily may not seem like much, but over weeks and months, those nutrients compound. Less inflammation, better skin hydration, sharper thinking. It doesn't take a miracle, it's just inside your mind and mind. Our name. It's that inside. Other binds just other mind. Our thick stutters. Our mind consistency. Mushrooms aren't flashy, they're not new, but they might just be the quietest longevity tool in your kitchen. So, will you start adding more mushrooms to your plate? If you're over 50 and looking for a natural, affordable way to support your skin and health, mushrooms might be your best kept secret. Like this video if you learned something new, share it with a friend who needs to hear this, and subscribe for more age-smart health tips every week. Your glow, your energy, and your future self, they'll thank you.